Okay, scenario. Timing belt has popped but has been replaced. Well, not. Oh, keys in the pocket. Hold on. There you go. So timing belt has been replaced. Also replaced the distributor cap, cables, crankshaft sensor, and it still simulates the same problem from when we actually popped the timing belt. Did the timing marks for TDC. Alright, that's good then.